Imagine flying through a tight forest at 60 miles per hour, knowing you never have to worry about missing the shot. Imagine capturing the adrenaline of a high-speed chase and a beautiful panoramic reveal at the very same time. This isn't just a dream anymore. The drone world is shaking right now because the first real images of the DJI Avata 360 have finally surfaced. This isn't a small update. This is a complete revolution. DJI is about to merge the world of high-speed FPV with full 360-degree creative freedom. If these leaks are true, the way we film the world from the sky is about to change forever. When you first look at the leaked images, the Avata 360 feels familiar, yet it's clearly a different beast. It keeps that tough, compact DNA we loved in the Avata 2, but the body is now flatter and much more aerodynamic. It looks like it was built to slice through the air. You can see the 4-blade propellers designed for extreme stability. These aren't just for show. They are built for those aggressive maneuvers and sharp turns that FPV pilots love. DJI has also added reinforced propeller guards. They took inspiration from the DJI Neo to make sure the expensive 360 lenses stay safe. Whether you are buzzing through a narrow doorway or flying close to trees, this drone is built to survive the hustle. The real magic, however, lies in the lenses. Rumors suggest the Avata 360 uses 2 spherical lenses, one on top and one on the bottom. Each captures 180 degrees. Together, they see everything. This changes the game for creators. Usually, in FPV, if you don't point the drone perfectly at the subject, the shot is ruined. With the Avata 360, you just fly. You focus on the movement. Later, in the editing room, you decide where the camera looks. You can pull back for a dramatic reveal or turn the camera around to see the pilot's perspective, all from the same flight. It's like having a dedicated camera crew following your drone in the sky. But don't worry, purists. This isn't just a flying 360 camera. It's still a true FPV drone. In the traditional FPV mode, the front lens takes over, giving you that low latency, immersive view that makes you feel like a bird. There's also a new stabilized FPV mode. This is perfect for people who want those cinematic, buttery smooth shots without needing 10 years of pilot experience. It smooths out the jitters and aggressive tilts, making professional level footage accessible to everyone. Under the hood, the performance is just as impressive. The leaks point toward DJI's next-generation transmission system. This means more range, a rock-solid signal, and almost zero lag. For an FPV pilot, that's the difference between a perfect gap cross and a crash. The battery life is also getting a boost. Even a few extra minutes in the air is huge when you are trying to capture the perfect moment. Plus, the onboard storage is rumored to be much larger, so you don't have to swap SD cards every 5 minutes. Now, we have to be realistic. Working with 360-degree footage isn't always easy. It takes a powerful computer and some time to get the stitching right so you don't see lines in the sky. But for the creators who want to push the limits, the reward is worth the effort. This drone doesn't replace the standard FPV experience. It expands it. It's the perfect middle ground between high-speed adrenaline and total creative freedom. It's a drone that adapts to you. The DJI Avata 360 is exactly what the industry needs. It removes the stress of missing the shot and lets us focus on the joy of flying. It's safe enough for a beginner but powerful enough for a pro. This could be the most versatile tool in a filmmaker's bag. We are watching the future of aerial storytelling unfold right now. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your drone friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a leak. What do you think about the Avata 360? Let me know in the comments.